Web engineering is the application of engineering principles to the development of websites and web-based systems. It involves the use of methodologies, tools, and best practices for the design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance of web-based systems. Web engineering is an interdisciplinary field that combines elements of software engineering, human-computer interaction, information systems, and web design. It also involves the use of web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and various web development frameworks. Web engineering process involves the following steps. Requirement analysis, identifying the needs of the users and stakeholders, and the functional and non-functional requirements of the system. Design, designing the architecture, user interface, and overall layout of the system. Implementation, coding the system using web technologies and frameworks. Testing, testing the system to ensure it meets the requirements and is free of bugs and errors. Deployment, deploying the system to a web server or hosting service. Maintenance, monitoring the system, fixing bugs and errors, and making updates and improvements as needed. Web engineering also involves the use of web development methodologies such as Agile, Waterfall, or Scrum to manage the development process and ensure the delivery of a high-quality product.